Hello, beautiful people. Welcome to my corporate world. Feel this crisp air, gentle reminder to let go of yesterday's burden and begin again. The frosted glass swings inside, and the day begins. In this ambience, there's a feeling of royalty. These lovely couches that you can see. Let's go to the lift lobby. My sanctuary sits high on the 10th floor. We have to give our input here and the lift door opens. I cannot show the entire floor. This is my desk. Let the work flow. The battle is won and stomach calls. This is a glimpse of our cafeteria. Pause with me and drink in this beautiful view. From the height, the great tapestry of life unfolds, each one a thread in the city's busy, tireless design. I'm having a sandwich, the warm ginger tea, and with the crunch of pakoda. We can also see a sitting area, another sitting area, and a conference room. In the sitting area, we do have some chocolates, cookies, and instant tea, coffee. There's lovely plants, indoor plants, in the office to give a refreshing view for us. Captured some of them for you. While we are going through, the clock strikes for log off. But wait, before the final exit, behold the lobby's unexpected treasure, a lovely library. This indeed reminds of Harvard halls. I guess this is how they might be, in fact, more beautiful. We can read, sit here and let the mind wander free. Such a lovely view, isn't it? With this, we exit. With renewed spirit, we take our leave. Time to log off. Thank you all. I hope you all like the glimpse of my office view. I can't wait to meet my baby Natasha at home, waiting for me.